Hello everybody, this is Scott with Scott's Mad Science and More, and today before me I have my vintage wait a sec, alright, there we are, my vintage 1957 Maytag brand and wringer washer. They haven't made a better washer since. Yeah, I love these things. It's either 1947 or 57. I think it's the 57. Alright, so it's the next morning and now I have it all cleaned up and mostly filled with just cold tap water from the hose. Yeah. So now, all I'm going to be doing is adding in a pot of hot water. If you don't, yeah. This raises the temperature slightly and gets it up to closer to lukewarm. Yeah. And now, let me get it closer. Now, just add in some soap. Please note this is biodegradable. Yeah. It is I use the eco stuff. I find it works pretty well. No, not sponsored or endorsed or anything. Now you take some soap, put it in there. Alright. Now, what I find works best is to start with the lights and work your way to the darks. Just gonna plug it in, and this is the simple stuff, and start putting it in. Now, just turn it on, and wait for about 15 minutes. Well, that has been about 15 minutes-ish. Just turn that off, and now for the dangerous bit, the ringing. Now, you can adjust the wringer by moving the paddle out there. Suffice to say that if you're running it through here, the water will run out here. When this red thing is pushed in, you have to take this white thing on the top, pull it over, that locks it in place. Push this to release, it is extremely important. Now all you have to do is just push that in the direction of which you want it to go. It does go both directions. Yep. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go and drain all this out. And time-lapse time. Well, as I was wringing out some clothes, I was using gloves to keep my hands drier here, and yeah, because they get dried out and everything. And well, this tip of my glove got caught in it because there's a bit of slack here. Pulled it right off. Yeah, these things are dangerous. Alright, now that you've got everything run through it, you don't actually have to change that water between every load. Might look grayish, but that actually doesn't lower the cleaning potential. It really does actually wash it well. So now, I'm going to do the rest of our clothes and I'll be back. It is advised that you only use the wash water for 3 loads, according to the 1950s Maytag manual that I found once. So now you're going to want to drain it after you've done 3 loads, or however many. Or you don't have 3 loads to, less than 3. Yeah. You just put it down there, You can turn this switch and it turns on the pump, which has pretty good pumping abilities, if I do say so myself. You're just going to want to put up your drain hose again, and then just fill it back up, leave it up, yeah, with whatever water temperature you want. Once it has been rinsed once, drain and refill, put in the wash. I would advise doing it in reverse order of the first time you put them in, so then it can go and get the most soap out of it. Then, yeah, that's really all there is to it. Yeah. Rinse and repeat this process until you're done with all the laundry. Anyway, well, thanks for watching, everybody. This is Scott here with Scott Science More. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.